Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zax sauce. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of ketchup, and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of seasoned salt. These simple items are the foundation for this delicious sauce, ensuring you have everything ready to mix up a batch of your own. Let's get started. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's mix them together. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the mayonnaise, ketchup, and Worcestershire sauce. Next, sprinkle in the garlic powder, black pepper, and seasoned salt. Using a whisk, stir everything until it's completely smooth and well combined. Make sure there are no lumps, ensuring a consistent texture for your homemade Zax sauce. This step is quick and easy, bringing all those flavors together. Once your sauce is mixed, it's crucial to let it chill. Cover the bowl tightly and place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is essential because it allows all the distinct flavors to meld together and intensify, creating that signature Zax sauce taste. A longer chill time, even a few hours, can further enhance the depth of flavor. Then, it's ready to enjoy with your favorite foods. You can easily customize your Zax sauce to suit your taste. Feel free to adjust the amount of black pepper or garlic powder to achieve your preferred spice level. For those who enjoy a bit more heat, a small dash of your favorite hot sauce can add an exciting kick. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your personalized, homemade Zax sauce with all your favorite meals and snacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.